Ryan, the young king. Yo, I'm Ryan, yeah, I'm one of a kind. Half Algerian, half Thai, sharp little mind. Only 5 years old, but I'm doing it big. Fresh hair, fresh clothes, yeah, I'm that kid. I go to Boom, where I'm the cool guy. Teachers love my vibe, I'm reaching for the sky. Nuggets and fries, that's my kind of meal. When I'm munching on those, you know the deal. Toka Boca's my game, I'm building my zone. Creating new worlds, yeah, I'm on my throne. Life's my playground, I'm living it right. With my dad by my side, we're tight every night. Say what? Little king, watch me shine. Say what? I got this whole world as mine. From school to the crib, I'm doing my thing. Living my best life, hear me sing. When it's sleepover time, dad's my best friend. We laugh and we chill till the night won't end. Stories and games, yeah, we make it a vibe. Nobody's got a bond like us worldwide. I love my hair, love my clothes, love my flair. Looking in the mirror like, oh yeah, I'm rare. Every step I take, I'm walking with pride. Got Algeria and Thailand right here inside. Chicken nuggets in my hand, fries on the side. I'm a foodie little dude, no need to hide. I'm Ryan, remember put respect on my name. This young king's here to change the game. Say what? Little king, watch me shine. Say what? I got this whole world as mine. From school to the crib, I'm doing my thing. Living my best life, hear me sing. I'm creative, I'm bold, I'm building my dreams. Life is so fun, yeah, it's just what it seems. Dad says I'm his light, well, he's mine too. Together we're a team, yeah, we're breaking through. So hey world, look at me, I'm Ryan the star. I'm young, I'm fresh, yeah, I'm going far. The future's all mine, you can bet on that. The young king's here, now where's my crown at? Say what? Little king, watch me shine. Say what? I got this whole